What's up guys? Welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. If you have two phones using the same WhatsApp account, have backup stored in the old phone, you might be wondering, is it possible to merge old chats with current chats across different devices? With Move to iOS app, you'll have to erase your new phone first. So in this video, we are using iCareFone transfer app as an alternative, which supports merging chats across not only devices, but also platforms. Let's take Android to iPhone as an example. Once installed it from Play Store, connect each device with an USB-C to Lightning cable. Choose iCareFone Transfer as the app for USB device. And now, let's begin. Here we got two options. One for data transfer, which overwrites the existing data. So we select Data Merge. Tap Android to iOS. Follow the prompts until we see the backup folder. Select it, and then tap OK to proceed. Tap Trust on your iPhone when prompted. Now that we built the connection, let's start to merge. Your Android will be creating a backup for your iOS chats. To access the content of the backup, we are going to verify the phone number. Here we can customize the data types we want to merge. I'm just selecting them all. Then we are going to log into WhatsApp on the iPhone. Once in, confirm it on the Android. Here we go. The old chats are merging into your iPhone now. Well done. Now let's check it out. As you can see, the old chats have been merged perfectly into your current chats. So that's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips like this, subscribe to the Tenorshare channel or click another video to keep watching now. See you next time.